Ever noticed how the little notifications on your phone get your attention even when you don't want to? We have these notifications on our phones that just keep pinging at us. Even if you have the sound turned off, chances are just the light up of your phone is coaxing you to pay attention to it. I'm Krista Oakes, and each Monday I'll share with you a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. This week, my tip comes from Marie Forleo. She's a business coach and a teacher. She suggested turning off all the notifications on your phone. Now, you can always go to that app. Let's say you want to look on Instagram and go to the notifications when you choose to. But the idea is that when your phone is constantly trying to divert your attention to something else, that whatever you are choosing with intention to put your attention on is getting distracted. Let's say you're sitting at dinner with your family and you have your phone up and the light keeps taking you away from whoever is across the table talking to you. Or maybe you're trying to work on something really intensely on your computer, knitting or artwork, and the phone keeps taking your attention away. What if you gave all your attention to the thing that you are choosing to focus on? I tried it. It's amazing, and I want you to try it too. Thanks, Marie, for the tip, and please leave me a comment and let me know how this has changed things for you. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.